Hello, welcome to the demo. In this demo we will be using Sheet2API to connect to a Google Spreadsheet to retrieve the spreadsheet in JSON format. So to get started you need a Google Sheet. Here's one, it just has a list of startup directories. So in order to enable this to talk to Sheet2API, we need to allow Sheet2API to do so. You do so by sharing it with Google at Sheet2API.com with editor privileges. Copy the link, click share. Access is granted. So now we head over to Sheet2API. You need to log in. Here's the dashboard. Your dashboard may be empty initially, but you'll have this button at the top right called Create Spreadsheet API. Click on that. And then we want to paste in the link to our spreadsheet, which we just copied. Then click Create. Now you'll see a new item on the list, Startup Listing Directories. If we open that, we should see that we have our data available to us with the GET request. If you head over to the Spreadsheet API documentation, you will see under making requests, there's some examples here. If you want to add a new row to your spreadsheet, here's some JavaScript. If you want to update existing rows and so on. And you can also learn how to secure your API. And you can also, in your settings here, under Configure API, you can configure caching, permissions, authorization, and so on. If anything isn't clear, please send me an email. I'll reply to you very quickly. Have a nice day.